What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. This is Pinoy Techdad. Today you're gonna be seeing me smiling a lot because I am truly happy to announce that I actually won a contest, and this is my major prize. This is the Asus TUF Gaming Monitor. It's the VG27AQ. And this is a 1440p 27-inch monitor. And if you haven't heard of the TUF Gaming line from Asus, this is the more affordable line of products from Asus. Here's a short clip of how I won this contest. I haven't been seeing a lot of reviews of this. The only one worth mentioning is the one from Linus, but that wasn't actually a real review. It was more like an overview of what this can do. Let's go ahead and unbox this, and then I'm gonna be showing you how to set it up. Alright guys, so I've done my initial setup. So this is the VG27AQ. And over here is the Samsung Space monitor. This is a 32-inch monitor. And this one is a 27-inch monitor. So I played a little bit of Monster Hunter on this, and it was really smooth. I was able to overclock it at 165 Hertz. And even though I was only hitting around 60 frames per second, it looked really smooth. So yeah, there's really a lot to like about this, and the build quality is really good. Even though it's made out of plastic, it feels really solid. Anyway, we'll be going more in depth once I get a hang of this, once I'm able to use this for a longer period. For now, that's about it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell button so you can watch more videos like this in the future. That's it for today guys. Have a great day.